This is an open source co-op cooking game based around these little wobbly dudes. I've been working on it for about a week now in Godot, and I've decided to create these devlogs as a way to track the progress I make on the game. In the background you can see the current state of the game. It's a bit buggy right now, but I'm making some decent headway and have a few of the core systems in already. I have the character controller by PyCode, a basic cooking system, some simple models for the stove, the walls, various vegetables and fruits and such, burger buns and patties, a collision sound effects system which I'll cover in an upcoming devlog after I refine it a bit more, a background music system using Max plugin, a few needed menus like the main menu, pause menu just to quit in and out of the game, and a few more things which I'll showcase in the upcoming devlogs. So I'm just going to quickly show off some of the models I've done. I've been working with Blockbench, which has been interesting. I've never used it before. I always thought it was just some type of Minecraft software, but I've been using it to model very basic things for this game. You can see it's mainly just cylinders that are colored differently. I use 1x1 pixel textures with just a single color, which I track on a color palette. I can show you here. It's a little bit outdated, but most of the things are here for the tomatoes and the burgers and such, but I don't have like the lettuce, the onions. I have some of the environmental colors as well. Definitely need to keep that a bit more updated, but it's fun to have in the background. I have some basic things needed to essentially assemble a burger and then put it on a plate and serve it. And then I have a generic station, a stove to cook the burger, some type of terminal with a secret message in Morse code on it, a floor, a wall, just the essential things needed to create something like this with a very basic environment so that I can hop around and see what it would kind of look like. My blue burgers, which are just a debug color, I can take them, put them on the stove, and they start cooking. Then take that, put it on my generic station, or throw it on the ground. I'll take that, take it over to my terminal, check out the customer, or take it over here, give the customer their food, and get a new order from a customer here. And these will be cardboard boxes to resupply. But right now they're, ooh, that was a beautiful throw. Right now they're just Godot logos, makes it nice and easy. And then the main plugins that I'm using right now are Max Godot Music Controller. I absolutely love this plugin. I use his game template as well for one of my other games, Spud Customs, and this is a very nice template for it. Highly recommended. And then I also use, this is the core system, PyCode's Godot for Active Ragdoll. My goodness, what a beautiful repository this is. You can see that's where I got the blocks from. This gentleman, I have no idea where he's from or who he is, but my goodness, is this the most incredible tutorial. I guess not tutorial, but this is kind of like a tutorial, high level. But this, has saved me months, so many countless hours of work. I cannot highly recommend it enough if you're curious with active ragdolls to just start out with this dude's thing, pull it down. I have rewritten the majority of his scripts at this point. It was only 2 scripts, so I've pretty much rewritten this entire script as well as merged it with my camera script to help with multiplayer. I have made this multiplayer, so I had to rewrite a good amount of it just so that I could properly function on multiple instances. But the largest part that has helped with this is that it was made in Godot 4.3. So I'm working in Godot 4.4. Very easy to upgrade it to my current version. And he had all of the annoying setup done with the character. He had a character modeled, this cute little guy. I changed up the color of it. He had animations done, and I added a character name for the multiplayer as well as the synchronizer, and changed up a little bit with his tree, but he has this beautiful physical as well as animated skeleton, and this physical skeleton is the meat and bones of the system. This is the pain in the ass that I didn't want to do. For the next devlog, I'll be working on the food assembly systems and fixing some of these bugs so that I can take something like the lettuce, tomato, a burger patty, a plate, and combine them all together to create one solid burger with different layers in it. And then I'll also be working on a rat system, which will be interesting. I'm going to have little rats that run around the room and try to escape through little holes in the wall, and possibly pick up burger patties or different food items and steal them. And if a customer or someone sees it, you get a penalty. And I will also be working on the food restock system. Something like one of these terminals, or I was thinking a TV with a big lever that pull and order food with. Then a truck will pull around back here and drop off a few boxes that you have to unload. There'll be a door right here that you can then walk through. We're working on the exterior. Right now I just have these two models, a floor and a wall. I'm going to be modeling a bit of a sidewalk for this area, and then a proper road for this area here, so that I can get a little more detail in the world. And the sidewalk will also wrap around back of the building. I will have some dumpsters over here so that you can throw things away. Wrapping around back will connect to the truck with a secondary road right here that the truck will use. And all of this will be various forms of sidewalk to walk along. And then the delivery truck will be using this parking lot in the back. And customers will be coming in through the front here. This specifically will probably be the storefront up to around here, and then cut off here, and I will be turning this section into the sidewalk and this section into the sidewalk. And this is where the actual customers will be. So we'll have different tables here for the various customers, and then the actual ordering up here at the terminal. If you would like to review any of this, it's all available online on the public GitHub. Is under the Lost Rabbit Digital Chef Wobbles GitHub. A link will be in the description below. It's coming to Steam as well as itch eventually, but right now it's just in the prototyping phase. I also have a Discord server if you'd like to join it, chat directly with me or other members of the community. And this is all open source, so if you'd like to pull it down, mess around with it yourself, or even build something off of it, you're completely free to. There's a roadmap as well, so you can track the progress of the game and what I'm currently working on. And if you would like to support the development of this game or any of our other games, We have a Ko-Fi and Patreon. Something as little as $1 goes a very long way for us, and I would be incredibly grateful. For now, that's all I have. I'll be posting a new devlog every Tuesday, but feel free to follow my Blue Sky for more frequent updates. I tweet almost every day about the various struggles and progress updates of this game, and any other game I'm currently working on. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for watching.